Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Rumble on any mobile device. So first of all, what you need to have is you need to download the Rumble app on your local app store or Google Play or whatever. Then you need to click it. You need to log in. You can see here I'm logged in. Then you need to go here down on this big circle, red circle down in the bottom. Then you need to click on the circle again, and then they want to use the camera. You need to accept that. Microphone, yes. Then you can make your own video. You can flip it or use Flash. I'm just gonna put it down here. Let's just take a video. A video of me waving. After you are done with the video, you can click next. And down here, you can click, you can create your title. I'm just gonna call it waving. Waving in the description and select the channel. I'm just gonna choose my normal channel for this. Up here you can choose the thumbnail. It's not really necessary, but you can do that if you want to. Afterwards you can click on next, and then you need to click off here. You have not signed any exclusive agreement with any other parties, and you have agreed to the terms and service. Then you can publish video now or schedule another date, and you can choose here if it is a Rumble only, a personal use, video management excluding YouTube, or video management. And then you can read here what this is all about. This video is not going to be talking about what these are doing, so you can pause the video and read them all if you want to. But then you just need to click on publish. And now it's publishing waving, as you can see here. And that is pretty much it actually. When this is done, the video is posted officially on the Mike Cypher 1 channel, as you can see here. Then you just need to click OK. And that's it. The video should be coming in on your channel in less than a couple minutes. If that doesn't work, please leave it down in the comment section and I'll try my best to help you. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps.